Amazfit Bip Max is marketed as an affordable smartwatch with long battery life, fitness tracking, health monitoring, and Apple Watch-style features. But the real question is it actually better than the Apple Watch or just budget smartwatch hype? Now, to be fair, Amazfit has built a strong reputation for making surprisingly capable budget smartwatches. What it does well: excellent battery life. This is one of Amazfit's biggest strengths. Many Amazfit watches last days, or even weeks longer than an Apple Watch on a single charge. Much more affordable. Amazfit devices usually cost a fraction of premium flagship smartwatches, where it loses badly to Apple Watch. It is not as advanced overall. This is the biggest reality check. Apple Watch remains significantly stronger in app ecosystem, responsiveness, build quality, and smart features. Health accuracy is usually less reliable. Apple Watch health sensors and software are generally considered more accurate and medically refined. The software experience is simpler. Amazfit watches focus more on fitness basics rather than full smartwatch power. So, is Amazfit Bip Max better than Apple Watch? Short answer: no overall, but it may be better value for some people. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.